Okay guys, I'm so much excited to make this video today. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very special kind of salad called SIBO salad. So this SIBO salad is actually made with a kind of SIBO yogurt. Now, all credit goes to the inventor of this SIBO yogurt called Dr. William Davis. He is the inventor of this SIBO yogurt. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this SIBO yogurt to actually make a very good SIBO salad. So what does SIBO stands for? Now, SIBO stands for small intestine bacteria overgrowth. Now, if you are watching this video, please, I'm going to post this video on a short so that I can attract more viewers to actually get to know about this. And if you cannot watch the full video on my short, you can go and watch the full video on my page, please. So what does SIBO stand for? SIBO stand for small intestine bacteria overgrowth. So this SIBO yogurt was actually made by introducing a special kind of microbiome strain called Lactobacillus reuteri. Now, this special kind of microbiome is actually supposed to be in our system, but as a matter of fact, because we eat a lot of processed food, we eat a lot of junk food, 95% of people living on earth does not have this microbiome in their system again. And this is the most important kind of microbiome your system needs for your health to thrive. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make salad with this special kind of yogurt. So I posted a video on how to make this SIBO yogurt. I will put the link below this video for you to go and watch how to make this special yogurt. So this special yogurt was actually made with this special strain called Lactobacillus reuteri and being fermented for 36 good hours. This kind of yogurt you cannot find in any conventional yogurts you find out there in the store, because no company, no industry is ready to ferment a yogurt for 36 good hours. They're not going to meet up their demand. And the more you ferment a yogurt, the more it produces more bacteria your body needs. So this yogurt is actually fermented for 36 good hours, where the only place you can get this kind of yogurt is by fermenting it yourself at home for 36 good hours with a special kind of machine. I'm going to be showing, when you watch that video how to make this SIBO yogurt, you are going to see that machine. And I'm also be posting a link on how you can acquire that kind of machine, a special kind of machine you can use to produce that yogurt. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this SIBO salad. This is one of the healthiest salad you can have today. Have you ever heard that word? Healthy gut, healthy you. If you are very healthy, if your gut is very healthy, every part of your system is going to be healthy. Now, this SIBO yogurt is actually used to destroy all those bad bacteria in your gut. So when you introduce this SIBO product into your gut, it's going to go down to your gut and destroy all those bad bacteria that is actually causing you to be sick. So this SIBO salad will help you immensely. It has lots and lots of benefits. You see, there are lots of health information you've not heard out there. But when you start watching so many videos like this, you start realizing there is many more. There are many ways for you to revitalize your health again. So by introducing this special kind of SIBO salad, or if you can also watch the video of how I make the SIBO yogurt, you will see the immense benefit. You see so much immense benefit. You see your health starting from your hair to the nail on your toe actually start from your gut. When you have a perfect healthy gut, every part of your body will be very healthy. You see, when we were actually born, when everybody was actually born, right from when you were born, depending on the health of your mother, you see, there is this special kind of microbiome is actually what made us to grow in health, and you grow your hair easily. Everything about you grow easily. But as we get older, as we grow, we start eating all manner of junk food. We start eating all manner of processed food. and they go in there down to your gut and destroy all those good bacteria, and they produce a kind of unconducive environment in your gut. This is how everything about you started changing. So in this video, when you learn how to make a very good SIBO yogurt, you'll be able to introduce this special microbiome into your system. You see, the only people that has this microbiome are those people that lives in the wild, those people that are not being introduced to eating junk, eating all this, all those people that depend on eating eating natural things in the forest. These are the people that still have this special bacteria. That is why when you see people like that, they don't go to hospital, they don't go to anything, they don't go to hospital, they don't have any medical system, and they are living fine and they grow older because they have this bacteria in them. So guys, I need you to sit back. I need you to sit back and watch how I make this special SIBO salad. And like I said, please go to my page, and I'm also going to post a link on how you can purchase this special yogurt maker and how to ferment your yogurt for 36 good hours. And please, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm always available to respond to questions. So guys, watch as I show you how to make this special kind of salad, guys. So guys, the recipe you're going to be needing for this special kind of salad is any salad of your choice. But in this video, I'm going to be using Mediterranean Crunch. So this is, as long as your salad is organic, please. Your salad has to be organic. We don't want to use all those salads that are being grown with harmful chemicals. We don't need that. Those harmful chemicals are going to interact with that special yogurt. So you're going to be needing an organic salad of your choice, please. You're also going to be needing probably like 2 or 3 organic eggs, please. It has to be, this egg is pasture-raised egg. They are pasture-raised hard-boiled egg. Another recipe is avocado, organic or any fresh good avocado. And this is the main recipe there. That is the SIBO yogurt, already fermented for 36 good hours. So, and you're also gonna need a bowl to actually mix your salad. So firstly, you empty your salad into a bowl. So this salad pack comes with different content in it. You empty everything that comes with your organic salad, please. Please use strictly organic salad, please, to reap the benefits. I'm adding the organic dressing that comes with the salad. So you also add your egg. Also add the avocado to it. And you add half cup. What you need is half cup of your yogurt. Half cup of yogurt is what you need to add in your salad, please. I said this yogurt was actually fermented for 36 good hours. So guys, and you give it I don't know whatever you want to use to stir your salad, you give it a proper stir. No, I'm gonna match it first. So please, whatever utensils you are using to make this salad, please, I want you to make sure your utensils are very clean. Make sure you sterilize all your utensils, please. Don't use the dirty utensils with bacteria and introduce it into the salad, please. Your salad is almost ready, guys. So guys, this is exactly what you see. So I need you guys to share this video, please. Make sure you share this video, follow my page for more healthy tips, guys. Thanks guys for watching. This is good. Very, very good.